Hey everyone, it's Michelle from Puzzle, and today I want to show you a feature that you can use to help manage your team's tech stack on an individual level. So I'm in this Acme example, and for this, we're going to head specifically to the People's Canvas. So as a reminder, this is the canvas where you invite your individual team members by clicking the Add People button here. And then once you select their people card, the sidebar pops up where you can indicate specific information about this user, such as their employment type and the roles that they fill within this organization. This specific feature that I want to hone in on today is this Tools edition down here at the bottom. So I'm going to collapse the roles that Brian fills for now, and I want to indicate the specific tools that Brian should have access to. So here I'm going to add the plus button, and I'm going to search for HubSpot and Monday.com and Zapier, just to name a few. And here you can see that a drop-down comes up for each tool where you can indicate Brian's specific access to this specific tool. So for HubSpot, we can say whether they're active, inactive, invited, or expired. So this is a really great use case for onboarding and offboarding to do a checklist to make sure that everyone's getting access to all of the tools that they need to complete their job. Or if they are offboarding, making sure that they are inactive in all of those tools. So in this case, I'm going to mark Brian active for each of these tools. And if you're not quite sure what tools this person may need based on the roles that they are currently filling, well, luckily you can use Puzzle's relational database model to help figure that out. So let's hop into the Workflows canvas and let's head to the list view and let's filter by role. We saw that he was tagged as the sales development representative. So let's filter by that role. And now we're seeing the list of all of the tools that are used on all of the steps where the sales development representative is involved. Similarly, if he was filling the role of an account executive, for example, I could see, okay, the account executive needs access to QuickBooks and Zapier. So this is another example of a benefit of mapping your operations in Puzzle, where it automatically relies on structured data by tool and role, for example, which gives you the advantage of being able to view it from these different vantage points and understand your operations in a holistic way. So if you aren't already, head to the People's tab and start adding each tool's access on a person-by-person basis so you can streamline your access management per person in one view. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.